Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. So, let's see what we'll be expecting this week on GBP JPY. Make sure you also follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, you all know before we take a trade, we would want to know the trend. And the market tends to give us three movements. It's either we are trading to the upside, or we are trading to the downside, or market is literally ranging. So if you have to zoom it out and see what GBP JPY is currently doing, you would clearly see that we are trending to the upside. So GBP JPY is literally on an uptrend move. So we clearly can see that we're having a series of higher high and an higher low, higher high and an higher low, higher high and an higher low. So basically our overall trend on GBP JPY is an uptrend move. So if you take a look at what market is currently doing, you'll see that the main movement, the overall trend, our main trend is actually on an uptrend move. But if you take a look at this current movement, market is kind of ranging within this level, but we will still continue the trend to the upside. So there is kind of like a major level here. The market has been rejecting multiple times, and also here, this here serves as range. Markets ranged within this level before it broke out of it, right? We were once ranging within this level before markets broke out of it. Well, anyway, take a look at this. We had this high, or we will say, let's start it from here. This is our impulsive move. Then the corrective wave came in. And here comes the impulsive move. We had a little bit of a pullback. We won't call it the corrective wave, a pullback. Then impulsive move here, which you can call the higher high and an higher low. Then we have the corrective wave. The market eventually reached within this level, and now we should continue that movement to the upside. So above all, we are on a bullish move on GBP JPY. So for position traders, this is for position traders. Your bias on GBP JPY is to the upside, so you should be expecting a bullish move to the upside. Now, let's see what market is currently doing on the daily time frame. We would also want to know what market is doing on the daily time frame. If you have to zoom it out, you see that market once ranged within this level, right? The market comes to tap the resistance, you will see it reject and come back to tap the support, then to reject and come back to tap the resistance, then to reject. Market is currently playing same movement within this level. It is ranging within this level, which is more visible on the 4-hour time frame, which we are going to go into very soon. Markets came here, we had the rejection from here, then it eventually dropped to this support level. The market was able to give us that bullish move, then it dropped to the support level. So then it gave us that bullish move to tap our resistance. A little bit of a pullback which came to tap our resistance again. And guess what? Market is definitely giving us that sell to tap this support level. So I will advise you that the best time to actually hop in for the buy on GBP JPY is when markets drop and tap this your support level. Then we can now hop in for the buy next. So our forecast and our full view on GBP JPY is still a bullish move. We are expecting a bullish move to the upside. But if you take a look at your GBP pair, your GBP pairs, you see that GBP is kind of falling, it's dropping, right? Especially your GBP USD, you see that it's dropping. But one of the reasons why GBP JPY is also dropping, so do not be surprised. Anyway, the best time to actually hop in for the buy GBP JPY is when it actually drops to tap your support level. Once it taps your support level, then you can now hop in for the buy. So current movements range, overall trend, overall movement trending to the upside. So overall movement on GBP JPY is an uptrend. The current movement on GBP JPY, what market is currently doing, is currently ranging. So have that in mind, that market is currently ranging, and once it tap, if possible, it taps the support level, then bound to be a good opportunity to take that buy. If it does that, If it does not do that, it will likely start pushing up, which I don't think it will. I don't think it will start pushing up for me. I think it will actually drop first, then we can now start pushing up on JPY. Let's go down to the forward time frame. So this is the forward time frame. You clearly can see it now. The forward time frame are ranging, right? Markets came here to tap our resistance level. Then we had the rejection that made it drop to tap our support. Then we had the movement that came to tap our resistance. Then the drop was made that came to tap our support. Then we also had another bullish move that came to tap our resistance. A little bit of a drop that came close to our support. Markets eventually came to tap our resistance. Drop. It eventually came again to the task, which we saw this fake out. Markets drop, give us the lower low, lower high. This is a massive sell, which is the lower low. You can see that this is a massive sell, lower low. Now, what next do you expect once you get this lower low? Of course, you should be expecting a pullback, which is your lower high. So before you hop in on the sell, especially for day traders who would like to catch the sell on GBP, JPY, you would want to hop in, wait for the pullback. Do not hop in for the sell around here. It is actually not a good idea. No, it has already been made. The job has already been made. You would not want to sell from the bottom, right? You would want to wait for the pullback. Then once it pulls back, pushes up a little bit, then you can now hop in for the sell again to grab, take your profit at this support level. And once it tap it at the support level, then you can now start looking for ways to take your buy again from the support level that will give you that bullish. So above all, forecast is pullback, then another drop is what we'll be expecting on GBP JPY. Now let's see what markets will do on the 1 hour time. So this is it here. Lower low, buy, lower low, buy, lower low, lower high, lower low, expect a lower high, or possibly an equal lower high, possible equal lower high, then another sell. So above all, wait for your pullback to form. And once it forms, open for the sell again. That is exactly what we'll be looking at on GBPJPY. Now, yes, there's a possibility that there will be changes to this movement. There's a possibility, but if in case there's going to be any changes, I'll give you guys an update in the Telegram channel. So you need to follow the Telegram channel. I'll put a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Follow the Telegram channel to stay updated and also subscribe to this channel. So click on that like button, right? So YouTube can recommend this video to other traders like you.